English tenses practice. Part 1. In this practice, you are going to answer 27 questions. Let's begin. I was tired when I came home from work yesterday. Look, the children are playing football in the garden. They do not have the necessary qualifications for the job. He is washing his car at the moment because it's very dirty. Was there any difficulty in finding it? I haven't read this book before. We always park our car in the same place. My parents have breakfast together every morning. When the music stopped, the dancers awaited their applause. He always helps his friends if they need his assistance. They had never seen such a beautiful sunset in their lives. She had been searching for 2 hours before she found her keys. The company has made profits this year. My boss sent me an email 3 days ago. We took a lot of photos during our holiday. She goes to the gym twice a week, but she didn't go last week. The kids have been swimming in the pool for hours. He hasn't passed his exam yet. We always take a break if we feel tired. When she heard the news, she couldn't believe her eyes. I am trying to understand this exercise. Can you help me? Right now, he is trying to fix his bike, but usually he takes the bus. I don't like that song. Please turn it off. Look! That woman is taking a picture of the castle. This software constantly evolves because developers update it every week. At the moment, our university is hosting an international conference online. This museum usually attracts thousands of visitors each month. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, as more valuable content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.